Are you buried on page 10 of Google? Are you frustrated seeing your competition on page 1 and have no clue how they do it? Are you buying every course, software or offer to get your site a top ranking but seeing zero results? They laughed at me when I said I could rank my brand new site in days. Then they did a search. Google has billions of searches every day. When your site is number 1 on Google, you get traffic and most of it consists of hot prospects. No one searches for Furnace Repair Chicago in January just because they're curious about furnaces. They're desperate for heat. It's -20. Are they going to spend a lot of time researching? No. If you show up at the top of the page, you're getting a phone call immediately. This applies to 80% of the searches Google delivers results for. You cannot afford to miss out on that hot, free traffic. I'm James Upjohn, and I'm an international SEO coach that has personally mentored over 1,000 SEOs and business owners to achieve first page rankings. I'm confident I can do the same for you. I put my heart and soul into ensuring that you and all my students have everything they need to get going, plus so much more. Results speak volumes. Here's one of our members ranking Furnace Repair Edmonton, 2,400 searches a month, making $40,000 a year. Here's another that ranks number 1 for SEO Barcelona, 1,000 searches per month. Here's another tree surgeons, another nail salons, another SEO Wigan, another SEO Lancashire, SEO Warrington, Stockport Gardner, Conference Centres Manchester. We're not doing too badly either. SEO Coaching, SEO Coach, we're ranking page 1 Google. Every example shown shares one thing in common. They're my students, their website's owned by my students, and they all use my proven formula to get those rankings and traffic. Imagine doing the same for your website. How many sales would you generate? Think about that for a few moments. It's time to start achieving the results you and your business deserve. Let me show you how to make Google work for you. People just like you have spent thousands on these types of courses. A shocking number are left without support, clear structure, or a surefire blueprint on how to turn their investment into a profitable return. I want to show you how you can reach the top and start getting targeted visitors directly to your website by ranking number 1 in Google. If you simply sign up for my product today, here's what you'll get. 100+ hours of over-the-shoulder video, a members-only Facebook group, twice monthly webinars, world-class support, and my complete suite of SEO tools and the exact blueprint I use to rank any site in Google. SEO is by far the best strategy for generating never-ending streams of free traffic for your website. It's time to learn SEO if you want to get your share of the ultimate free traffic source, Google. And that is where Ranking Rabbit comes in. Using our proven strategies, you'll experience faster results and bank bigger profits. Here's just a few of the modules contained in my course. A quick and easy way to register a domain and build a website. How to research the number of customers looking for your services online. Over-the-shoulder guide on how to make your website search engine friendly so that your prospects can find you. An in-depth guide on the types of backlinks to build and exactly how to build them. Various ideas for using your skills to double, triple, or even quadruple your income. All this and so much more is available in well over 100 hours of training and support webinars. And not only that, you will also receive exclusive access to our Facebook support group where you have direct access to all the coaches plus the entire Ranking Rabbit community. In just a few days, you'll immediately start seeing improvements in your website statistics. Take a look at what Scott Allen sent me recently. He said, "This site was buried on page 11, newer site, and per your coaching with nothing but on-page SEO, Boom. Look at him. He's number 2 in the maps. He's number 2 in the organics. This was a site on page 11, and within days, boom. It's time to take action and make a difference in your life. Click the link below to sign up now. I'm incredibly excited that you've taken interest in my training course, and I can't wait to welcome you into the private Facebook group. If you're sick and tired of struggling to find something that works, then here's your way out. Simply try my $1 trial today and see how it can boost your business. But if you truly want these results, you have to act now. I can't guarantee that this offer will be available forever. You really have nothing to lose and everything to gain from taking action right now and joining us inside Ranking Rabbit. Don't let this opportunity slip you by. Click the link below right now and let's get started. Remember, it's $1 for 14 days unlimited access to Ranking Rabbit. Sign up and get access to my 100 plus hours of video training, entry to my members only Facebook support group, my suite of powerful SEO tools, and participation in my twice monthly Ask Me Anything webinars. I'm so convinced that you'll love Ranking Rabbit that if you think I wasted your time for even 1 second, I'll give you double your money back guaranteed. Remember, $1 for 14 days unlimited access. If you're happy, like so many before you have been, at the end of the 14 days, this will roll over into a $67 per month paid membership site. But you're going to be so blown away with everything that's in there, you're going to stick around. If you think I've wasted your time, ask me anytime in the first 2 weeks and I'll give you double your money back. Click the link in the description below. I really look forward to connecting with you on the inside.